Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, let's just continue what we are doing in our series, the Next.js Auth tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go here in our action directory and let's create a new file called register.ts. Let's copy the path and back in here, let's open that file that we created. Okay. Let's also open the file in the same location, the login.ts. Okay. Basically, login.ts and register.ts, they shared the same idea to receive data from the form submitted from the browser. This one is responsible receiving from the login form from the browser. This one will be responsible for receiving registration form data. So since it's the backend functionalities, let's use server in this one. And let's just copy this one. And we just have to make some changes like register. Use the registration schema instead of login schema that we defined in the schemas directory. So there you go, it is imported. And let's also change this one. This one Z, we need also to import Z from ZAD. And that's it. So we have now a register function, and let's use that here. So let's uncomment this one, and instead of using login, we will be using register from auth actions register. And as you can see, it is imported automatically here in line 14. On submit, why are you implicitly has type ini? Now let's submit. Let's say fill password name. The name should be above, should be name, email, and password. But let's test this for now. Let's see name at example.com, password, and the name fill, and click create an account. There you go, you can see email sent. That's the indication that it's working. We can verify that in our registration.ts. This is the one that triggers when we submit the registration form data. Now let's correct the issue. Here the email is the first input field. We want to make the name as the first input field on the registration form. Alright, so let's, oh, it is gone. What happened? This is correct. Let's go back to the browser, and maybe we need to refresh. There you go, just a refresh. And the name is the first field, second is the email, and the password. And we have seen earlier that when we submit a name at example.com, password, we can receive email sent. And let's verify that. Let's say, let's remove that negation there. We should expect something went wrong to be displayed in the form. So let's go back on the browser and click create account, and there you go, something went wrong. So it's working as expected. Let's revert the changes back so that the return here is correct. Alright, so that's it. We have a login form and we have a registration form. We are now ready on processing the data submitted by the login form and the data submitted by the registration form. And in the next video, we will now be dealing on how to store this information into the database in Next.js. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.